Hello, my name is Sam Jones. I'm a research and development engineer here at PowerFilm Solar. If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how you can connect a PV cell to a circuit board. It's a question we get asked a lot. At PowerFilm, we make thin film, flexible solar cells, and specifically for energy harvesting and IoT applications. When you're talking about high volumes, a lot of our customers are wondering, how can I integrate this into my manufacturing process in a viable way? We have several methods that we recommend to our customers to do that, and that's what I'll be talking about and discussing in this video. Before we get started, quick overview of the anatomy of our cells. So right here we have a two-cell design separated by insulator lines. So we have one cell, two cell, and the power terminals are actually on the sides of the panel. And we use a tin-plated waffle foil bus tape, and that provides some really great mechanical stability for doing things such as soldering directly through the laminate to the bus tape. We also, for this specific module, use laser ablation to expose contacts on the backside if you want to do a conductive epoxy, or if you want to solder wires to the backside. We have other methods of modification of the panel to allow other types of connection. And the first type of connection that I'll go over today is using flex connectors. So flex connectors are used in industry to connect ribbon cables and send signals between flexible ribbon and a product. They can also be used to connect our PV cells to a circuit board. The only thing that's required is die-cut exposed tabs that are in the right dimensions of whatever flex connector that you want to use. So you can see the flex connectors on this board are right here and right here. They correspond to the location of the tabs on the panel. This method is relatively easy. There's no soldering, there's no heat, so it's a very clean process. The only downside is that it is a hand assembly, and the mechanical strength, if you need a connection method with very high mechanical strength, this might not be the right method for you. But if you don't really care, it takes about 1 pound of force to remove the tab from the connector, so it is relatively strong. And you can see that the solar panel has indeed charged the internal circuitry.